Now we are going to start our lesson. Today, class 1, chapter number 7, representation of bigger number, page number 43 to 47. Today we learn about recognize the two-digit number, expanded form of two-digit number, put less than, greater than sign, arrange two-digit numbers in ascending and descending order. Digit. First we First, we will discuss about two-digit number. So, digit meant numbers, and we know that all the numbers are formed with the digit that are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And after 9, 10 comes. And 10 is a smallest two-digit number. In a two-digit number, one digit is placed at the 10th place and the other number is placed in one place. So, first we must know about the place value of ones and tens. Okay, which number we put in one place and which number we put in 10th place. Now, let's discuss about the place value, ones and tens. So, look at these blocks and count with me. Here, how many blocks we have? One block, two blocks, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, 9. So, here we have 9 blocks. If we add one more block here, so what will happen? After putting one more block, so it make a 10. So 1 to 9 is a single digit, or you can say that one digit number. 1 to 9 is a one digit number. When we put one more block here, we add one block here, so it make a 10. And 10 is a two digit number. As you see here, 1, 0, 10. And how to form 10? By using 0 and 1. We make a 10. So 10 is a two-digit number. Okay. Here we can see the 10 blocks or 10 blocks of ones. So first, the smallest two-digit number is 10. The smallest two-digit number is 10. So, how to write this 10 in a place value chart? Okay, in a base 10 system, we write 10. How to write 10 in ones and 10 place? The right side value, which is given here 0, we write in ones place. We write in one place because it's a one digit number. So the 0 put in a one place. So it made up of ones. It made up of ones. 0 made up of ones, and it is also called a unit. This one S show the position place of the ones. Place of the ones. Okay. Where we write the 1? Because it has other digit, two-digit number, second digit number. So it is put in a tens column. So it made up of tens. It made up of tens. So this 10, 1, 0 S show the position of the tens, and 1 S show the position of the ones. The place of the ones and place of the tens. So we 0 write in a ones column and 1 write in a tens column. Okay. There are 3 ways to read this tens. For example, for the first way is 10. 10 ones. 10 ones, how 10 ones? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This single block show the ones. This single block show the ones or unit. So how many 10? How many these are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are the 10. So we can say 10 ones or 10 units. Ones and tens, the meaning are same, but the word are changed. But meaning are same, and 10 unit is also called a 10 ones. Okay, we can also read this in this way. 110, how? When we put in a 10 column, so 110, 110 and 0 ones. So these are the three ways to read it. 10 ones or 10 units or 110 or 0 ones. As you can see on your picture, there are the stick of 10. So how many stick of 10? One stick. One stick of 10, 110. This stick, one stick of 10 show the 10. So how many 10? 110. And how many blocks? Yeah, how many ones? 1. So it is 1 1. So 110 and single block show the unit or the ones. So how many 1? 1 1. In a number, how to write this number? It make a number 11. 110 and 1 1 make a 11. How to write 11 in a proper place? Value chart 1 0. It's a O, not a 0. So O ones and T for tens. So how many tens are here? As you see here, 110. 110. So we write 1 in one column, and this, and how many ones are here? 1 1. So we write in a 1. Now it make a 11. So how to write the spelling of 11? ELEVEN. 11. Now let's see the other number. How many tens are here? As as you can see here, the one stick of one stick, so it is 110. And how many blocks? 2 blocks. So it is 2 ones or 2 units. So it make a number 1 tens and 2 ones make a number 12. In numbers we write 1 to 12, and we in place value chart we put 110 in a tens column and 2 is a 1, so we write in a ones place. So it is mega 12. What is the spelling of 12? TWELVE. 12. Okay. Now see the other. Okay. Again we see here the 110. One stick of 10 show the 110. And how many blocks here? 3 blocks. So it is 3 ones. So 110, 110 and 3 ones make a number 13. As you see here, and we write in a place, proper place. One is 10 and 3 is a ones, and it make a number 13. So what is the spelling of 13? THIRTEEN. 13. Now again we see here that there are one stick of 10. So 110 and how many ones? 4 ones. So 110 and 4 ones make a number 14. So how to write in a proper place? 110, 1 write in a 110, 110, 10 place, and 4 write in a ones place. So what is the spelling of 14? FOURTEEN. 14. Now here again we see 110 and how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. We add more. Gradually we add one more ones. So it make a 15. 110 and 5 ones make a 15. So in a place value is 1 is a 10 and 5 is a 1. It make a 15. The spelling of 15 is F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. The next, again here the is one stick of 10. So 110 and we add one block add. So it make a 6 1. So 110 and 6 ones make a 16. So 1 is a 10 and 6 is a 1. It make a 16. The spelling of 16 is S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16. Again 110 is here. And how many ones? 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can count it. So 7 ones. So it make a number 17. So 110, 1 right in a tens column and 7 rights in a ones column. So what is the spelling of 17? S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17. Okay. The next number is 18. 110 and 8 ones. So we write 1 in a tenth column and 8 rights in a ones column. It make a 18 and the spelling of 18 is E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18. Next one is 19, 110 and 110 and 9 ones. So there are 9 ones, 9 block of single block of nines. So 9 ones, 110 and 9 ones make a number 19 and 1 right in one right one in tens column and 9 rights in ones column. So it make a 19. What is the spelling of 19? N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19. Okay. When we put one more block here, so it make a 10 again. So how many tens are there? When we put one more, it make a 210. It make a 210. There are no ones here. So after 19, which number will become 20. So 2 tens mean 20. And 2 put in a 2 columns because here we 2 tens. Here we have 2 tens. So write 2 in a tens column and 0 writes in ones column. It make a 20. The spelling of 20 is T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. So this is a number 11 to 20 and this is the name of inverse counting of 11 to 20. The spelling of 11 to 20. And this place for put the number in a proper place. How many ones and how many tens? In 16, how many 1? 6 1. And how many tens? 1 10. So this is a place value chart. I hope you all have understood very well this topic. Now, the next term is expanded form. Expanded means it is a way to write number by showing the value of each digit. Because, for example, here the number 12. So write this number in a showing the value of each digit. Okay, how many ones or how many units? As I told you, unit is also the second name of one. We can call it ones or units. So we use here both term ones and tens. So 2 is a units and 1 is a 10. So in 12, this is the expanded form of 12. Value to show the e digit. Here we show the value of e digit. Okay, how many times? Yeah, what is the value of this one? And what is the value of 2? So 2 is a units and 1 is a 10. Similar, we can write like this. Okay, 110. 110 means 10. So we can write this 1010. 110 means 10. So we can write 1010 in a number. And 2 unit, 2 single. So it make again the 12. So we can write in both way. In 110 plus 2 units or 10 plus 2. This is called a expanded form. Okay. In 15, the number is 15. The number is 15. Okay. How many tens are here? 110. And how many units? 5 units. So 110 plus. We must here put the sign here, the plus. Because when we add 110 plus 5, so it make a 15. If you don't put the sign here plus, you put the comma, so it's the other value. So we must put the sign here, addition sign here. So 110 plus 5 units equal to how many 10? 110 means tens. 110 means 10, 10. And 5 units plus 5. And 19, how many 10 and how many units? 110 plus 5 units. So we can write in this way 110 means 10 plus 9 unit 9 because unit show the single digit. So that's why we write in a single one digit number 9, 5, 6. These are the one digit number. But 110 show the two digit number. So 110 show the two digit. 0 and 1 show the two digit. So this is a form of expanded form. Now here we see the sum. There is some sum. So can you help me how to solve this? Yes. Write in expanded form. First, these are the numbers 16, 10, 13, 15. First, we write in an expanded form and then number in words. For example, in 16, how many 10? 110. And how many unit? 6 unit. Okay, okay. How many? And 110 means 10. We put the plus sign and then how many units? 6 unit. So it make a number 16. The spelling of 16 is SIXTEEN 16. Okay. What is the next number? 10. So how many 10 are here? 1. And how many units? 0. Very nice. So we can write 10 in this way. 110 and 0 1 unit. Okay. And 110 means 10. And 0 unit means 0. So 10 plus 0. And what number will be formed here? 10. So what is the spelling of 10? T-E-N, 10. Very nice. Okay. See the next number, 13. How many 10 are here? 110. So we write 110. Then how many units? There are 3 units. So we can write 110 and 3 units. And this we can also write in this way 110 means 10 plus 3 units. And it make a number 13. So what is the spelling of 13? Yes, yeah, THIRTEEN, 13. Okay. Next one is 15. How many 10? 110 and 5 units. So we can write like this. And also we can write in this way. 110 show the 110. 110 show 10 and 5 units show plus 5. So 10 plus 5 make a 15. The spelling of 15 is FIFTEEN 15. Okay. Fill the symbols with what is okay. In the previous class, I told you about the sign of less than and greater than. So, what is the sign of this one? Here, if the open area is first and the closed one is second, so it is greater than. And this one is less than. And you can see that this sign shows the crocodile mouth. Where the bigger number is come, the crocodile mouth is open there. So fill the symbols greater than or less than in each box. Here we see two numbers, 12 and 13. 12 and 13. So which one is greater? Obviously, 12 is comes before 13. So 12 is less than 13. So we put the sign here less than because less is 12 is less than 13. 12 is smaller number than 13. Okay. Next one is 14 and 15. They are the two numbers 14 and 15. So 14 come first or 15 come first? Obviously 14 come first. 14 is a smaller number than 15. So we put here the sign less than. So we can read it 14 less than 15. Okay, next one is 17 and 15. So which number will be greater, 17 or 15? Obviously, 15, 16 and 17. So 17 is a greater number. So we can say 17 greater than 15. Okay, the next number is 11 and 10. 11 is greater than 10. Obviously, 10 is smaller than 11. So 11 is greater than 10. So we put here the sign greater than. Where the number is greater, so crocodile mouth is open there. As you see here, 13 is bigger, the crocodile mouth is open here. 15 is greater, the crocodile mouth is open here. Same as the next number is 20 and 19. 20 is greater than, so we write the number, put the sign here, greater than, because 20 is greater than 9. 19. 19 is 1 less to 20. So we put here the sign 20 greater than 19. Okay, next is 16. And which sign will become here? Because 16 is a smaller number. So 16, yes, 16 is less than 18. Okay, let's see the other question. Arrange these numbers in descending order. As you already learned about in previous classes, ascending means smallest to biggest number. First we write the small number, then big, and gradually they are increased. So first we ascending means move to the smallest number to biggest number. So first we identify the number, which one is smaller? Yes, identify which one is smaller because 10 are same. 1, 1, 110, 110, 110, 110. So all the tens are same. So we see the unit place. 11 is a smaller number. So we write here, first we write here the 11 and then which number will become after 11? Identify which one is the bigger number? 13. And then 14. Very nice. And after 14, which number will become? 16. And after 16, we see here the 18 and then 19. So these numbers are arranged in descending order, smallest to bigger. 11, 13, 14, 16, 18 and 19. Now, here we arrange these numbers in descending order. Descending means write the number biggest to smaller. So first we identified which number is bigger here. Which number is here? Okay, 8. Here number is 10, 16, 17, 8, 18, 15, 12. So which number is bigger? 18. Okay, after 18, which number will be smaller? After 18, identify. Okay, 17. And after 17, Yes, 16. Very nice. And after 16, which number will be smaller? 15. Or after 15, which number will be right here? 12. Okay. After 12, we identify the number 10. We write here number 10 and then number 8. So this is the form of descending order because we follow here 18 is the biggest number and 8, and gradually we decrease the number decreasing to 18, 17, 16, 15, 12, 10 and 8. I hope you all have understood all the topic very well. As you see here, expanded form, less than, put the sign less than, greater than, and then write the number ascending and descending order. Now it's time to home task. Write counting in words from 10 to 20 in your share copy. This is your copy task. You have to do this in your copy. In previous, you have already written 1 to 10 in words, number and in words. So now you write counting in words from 10 to 20 in share copy. So first you draw the two column. In first column you write the number 10, 11, 12, 13 to 20. And then in front of numbers you write the number name. So this is called the inverse counting. Okay, the next one is do page number 46 and 47. In 46 and 47, this is your book task, and in this page you have about the expanded form as you learn here, and place value, ascending order and descending order of the number. So you already learned here. So I think you do easily do in your book task. So do page number 46 and 47 in your textbook. Hope you all have understood all the topics very well. So do practice it more and more and kindly note down your home task. Inshallah, we will meet again in next class with new topic.